out. So here's some candlestick movement. So here we go, guys.
Well,
this is how it rolls.
All right, you guys.
So it lasts over about a week.
We're joining
here's
this
the simulation
in progress.
Of the candlesticks.
This is an example of a short squeeze. And I think I can show you up top, live chart of Volkswagen squeeze. You can find it on YouTube.
As you can see, look how long the
here we
wicks
go.
are. We're talking like
see if I can make it a little bit bigger for you.
Like huge. I told you it's going to be very
see the
violent.
Action.
Okay. When this
is an hourly rendition,
stocks, especially AMC,
and
it's going to be
let me
very
just
violent.
come down to prices.
We're talking like $500 in segments. This is nothing compared to what AMC.
I don't want to make it too big so you
AMC
can't see
rip,
the prices.
Like this is going to be moving in thousands.
Right, there we go.
In thousands. Look at that.
All right, so you see the jump
up to 550
at the close, the gap.
Right here. And look how
all
long
the way
those
up
wicks
to
are. Those wicks are like
$400, $500.
length
the
wicks.
next morning,
it's testing. And we're at October 27th now. From the 26th to the 27th, exactly
it trades
one
decently,
day,
stays
it went
flat.
Up from $300 to $600. Okay, now we're rocking at.
I'm trying to show you, and
within every hour.
I truncated it. You can always go find it. You didn't miss much, but I'm trying to keep it short so it uploads. But this is kind of the
$400.
All right, watch.
Now,
it pulls back to 400 the next morning. It's up to 500.
See that jumped $100 or $50 in just one candlestick.
Down to 440. That's by noon. And then we're rallying to 2 o'clock, which is normally the margin
See the patterns
hour.
that we're getting the same kind of patterns when we were at that $70. It was doing the same kind of thing.
But it doesn't go very far, just 500.
Mr. Aaron there dropped all of his 70 million shares and collapsed it on us. We would have been in the squeeze 100%. It's the same kind of movement.
A sudden move toward the close, all the way up. And then after the close, it runs to almost 800. Boom. Let's call it 750.
Check that out.
And then pulls
Crazy, eh? Like 500
in the after hours.
$300 in 2 sticks.
So the next morning,
now we're in the next
4
day.
a.m.
So only 3 days right now.
I think that's 4
We're hitting
a.m.
the third
October
day.
28th, 2008.
This is done by CS Trades 101.
We're coming up
this
on
is
6 a.m. So overnight trading was, and I don't think you'll have that in
Volkswagen
GTII.
and Porsche.
But anyway, you gap open.
government.
Let's see what happens at 9 a.m.
So we're just hitting the next market. The market just opened at 4. That's
Lucky's
pre-market.
being
4 in the morning,
impatient.
6 in the
But
morning.
I want to see if I can get this
now we're in
out
full market
before I
open
go
now.
on my 2-hour walk. It may not upload. All right, here comes, if I the opening. Boom.
There we go.
Boom.
Right like that. That's how
all the
it's
way
gonna
up to
go.
1300.
Went from 700
almost.
to 1300.
And then, of course,
in 1,
there's
2,
a
3
pullback. But then it starts
guys.
rallying a little bit. Pull back.
Candlesticks.
You're going to be feeling, oh, geez, did I miss the high? Did I miss
That's
it?
how violent it's
I
gonna
should have
be.
gotten
Like,
out.
People are going to be on the edge of their seats. Like,
This is why you
don't
have
worry,
to
I
be
got this stuff
prepared in
covered. So if you sub
advance
to my channel, I got
with
you
your
guys covered on
targets
this. You
and
guys
just
have
have sold some.
Don't worry, I got your backs.
And then you figure, well,
so you just got to hit
I'm
the
going
sub
to
button,
James
or else you
Dean
will
it
not get
here
this coverage
and
of this stuff.
hold on for my
I've been
higher
through
numbers.
This. I know what this
because
is
I'm
about
checking
life,
the volume.
okay?
I still
Seen
think
this
there's
before.
stock for available.
It's just these
or
down
what's the
swoops are going
word?
to be very scary.
Stock
We're gonna lose
which
a
has to
lot
be
of
bought
people.
back.
A lot of people are going to be freaking when it goes.
So you're all the way back
thousands
down
to 1,000, up
to
to 5, down to
850,
3,
which is still a
down
good
to-
price. You could get out here and
when you're
feel
gonna have
all
to
right.
make your
But then
own,
look at the close.
Your own judgment
Boom.
on when you're going to pull
Boom.
the plug, right?
All the way back up to
See how it goes?
1,200. And then overnight
Pretty
trading,
scary stuff. Pretty exciting. Pretty scary.
it stays in that
It's on the edge
range.
of your
But look how
seat.
wide the ranges
There
are.
you go. We're back up to
I mean, if
1,300
you're
again,
trying to
1,250.
get 1,200, you put a market order in, you might end up with 1,000.
Remember,
So
this
you
is
limit
nothing.
orders,
Times
limit
it by
orders.
10, 20, 30, 40.
On the other hand,
That's
when you
how
look
long-
at this,
that's how
you
big
say to
the
yourself,
AMC,
I got out at
squeeze is gonna
900,
be.
it went to 1,200. Ease up on yourself. I mean, you're not going to get it right. Look, it comes all the way down overnight to hit
Now we're on the
700.
October 29th, 2008. Okay?
Let me see
Market
that.
just opened again. Because
And
it
then
circulates, right?
And then
So that's between after hours and now market
we'll see
open.
how it opens in the morning. I'm expecting up. Unless that's it. Maybe
Okay,
that's
guys,
it
I
for
paused
the
it
video.
because it just goes on and it stretches for about a week.
Maybe that's
and
it
it
for
goes
the
on
video.
up and down.
Oh, no, the
So
gentleman is slowing
thanks
it.
for
He's
joining me
like I am.
here today on that. And I
probably
just
should
wanted
let
to
him
touch
talk.
bases on that with you guys. I wanted to give you some full demo
don't know how to do
of
it
what the
now.
Volkswagen Squeeze look like
Let me see
and
if
what we're
I
up
can speed
against.
this up.
It's
that
crazy
seems to
stuff,
be it.
guys. But I got your back. I got your back on.
All right, so I'm going to let that be the lesson. It's live chart of Volkswagen Squeeze. I expected it to go higher, so I was a little bit surprised. But what I wanted to get across to you, and I'll try to find some others like this, is the volatility of a short squeeze. And so when you're in it and you're trying to get out, you're going to have these sharp rallies up and pulls backs, and then you can still, you can rewind, but it was 200, 300, 400, 500 and then pulled back. Then it was 700 and then pulled back. And then all of a sudden, boom, it's 1200. I wish the chart had gone longer because Volkswagen went much higher than that. But let me stop right there because if I don't keep this short, it won't upload.